Here we go again. Welcome back to my channel, guys. Namaste sabaijanalai ma Ashimshrestha episode 5. Welcome back to my channel. Video सुरु गर्नु भन्दा अगाडि I want to thank each and everyone who have shown love and support on my previous video. Keep supporting, keep loving my video. Episode 5 को टाइटल हेरेर थाहा पाउनु भयो होला कि आजको यो भिडियो केको बारेमा हो भनेर. Yeah, today I am going to show you how to make tomato gel at home. काममा चाहिँ मैले बनाइरहेको थिएँ तर घरमा चाहिँ यो मेरो पहिलो पटक होला. त्यही भएर I was thinking like why not make a video on that and then I can also show you guys how to make tomato gel at home. Easy छ step, धेरै कम्पोनेन्ट छैन, फाइन्ड एनी कम्पोनेन्ट हो अनि के टाइम कन्ज्युमिङ छ तर लाइक एट द एन्ड प्रोडक्ट इज भेरी नाइस. त्यही भएर ढिलो नगरी डाइरेक्टली भिडियोमा जाउँ. देन आई क्यान सो यु हाउ टु मेक इट. Let's move on that video. I have diced 2 tomatoes. त्यो पछि एक bunch basil leaves use गरेको छु. अनि ब्लेन्डरमा राखेर त्यसलाई प्युरे बनाउनु पर्छ. Transfer the puree into the pot अनि त्यसमा 2 spoon of agar-agar. Boil that one on the medium heat and keep stirring. We have to stir nicely just to make sure like there is no any lumps. Then you can transfer that puree on the tray. Spread the puree very gently. It will be more convenient for you if you use the rubber spatula. Once it's done, transfer the tray in the refrigerator and leave it for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, take it out from the fridge and take it out from the tray. जेल चाहिँ सेट हुनुपर्छ. सेट भएको छैन भने चाहिँ यु क्यान पुट लङ्गर इन द फ्रिज. आफ्टर इज सेट यु क्यान मेक इट क्युब. अब फेरि यु हेभ टु ब्लेन्ड वान मोर टाइम. जबसम्म स्मुथ हुँदैन तबसम्म चाहिँ ब्लेन्ड गरिराख्नु होला. आफ्टर द्याट यु हेभ टु स्ट्रेन द्याट प्युरे विथ द हेल्प अफ चिनोवा. त्यसले गर्दाखेरि चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने लम्प्सहरू जति भएको छ सबै प्युरे स्मुथ भएर आउँछ एन्ड इट्स good to go. Alright, हजुरले थाहा पाउनु भयो होला how to make tomato gel at home भनेर. I told you earlier like it is not that complicated. It's so easy. You just have 3 components. त्यति साह्रो इन्ग्रेडियन्टहरू धेरै थिएन. But the things like time consuming I keep saying time consuming because like you have to set it on refrigerator around 30 to 45 minutes. त्यही भएर चाहिँ like half an hour 45 minutes सेट गर्नुपर्छ. फेरि निकालेर त्यसलाई बेल गर्नुपर्छ. That's why I was trying to say it's like time consuming but it's easy. You might be thinking tomato gel बनाउन त बनाए तर सर्भ कसरी गर्ने. सानो एउटा डट मात्र दिएर it won't be complete dish. You are right but the thing is like tomato gel you can use wherever you want. Like I'm using on canapé a day, almost bruise. If I'm making a tomato salad, I can use tomato gel. If I'm making tomato soup, I'm also using on that. It's all about your creativity. Like where do you want to use it? Okay, मैले चाहिँ एउटा small bite size dish बनाएको छु हैन. अनि you can say like canapé, amuse bouche, ode, you can name it whatever you want. तर मैले चाहिँ like मेरो idea say I want to serve as amuse bouche or canapé and the thing I want to name is like a flavor boom. A texture and the freshness of the hidden tomatoes seasoned with the salt and pepper. जसमा horseradish cream छ, tomato gel छ and the sweetness of the candy pecans, tanginess of the pickle salad, freshness and the raw texture from the fennel and the garnish of sorrel and the fish juice. And the basil dressing use गरेको छु on the top. You know, the reason I'm saying flavor boom because like all the combination of the flavor like saltiness, sweetness, tanginess, raw texture, freshness is all in that dish. That's why I named the flavor boom. Okay guys, it's a wrap for today. आशा गर्छु मैले हजुरलाई केही सिकाउन सके र हजुरले केही सिक्नु भयो भनेर. Give a try at home and let me know कस्तो भयो भनेर. Big big thank you for each and everyone from my side for tuning in this video. हजुरको साथ माया energy will fuel my creativity to make more informative, अझै better, funny creativity भिडियोहरू म ल्याइराख्ने छु. So like keep supporting, keep loving my video. I'm signing off right now, but I hope we're gonna meet and see very soon. So until that time, stay safe, stay healthy, keep signing, love your family. It's me, Ashim Shrestha, signing off. See you next time. Namaste.